welcome back, Explorer. So once again, my name is SweetEscape. So please, before we move on, don't forget to hit on subscribe, like, and of course, leave your comments below. Alright, so ngayon, ang ating i-review ay galing na naman kay Lazada. Alright. So, ito ang tinatawag nilang Nova NV662 Foldable Mini Travel Hair Dryer Compact Blower. Ang color nito ay lemonade pink. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ang rating niya kasi, as of right now, is, ano bang rating nito? 4.0. So, yan ang rating niya. Ang customer rating as of today. May 2019. Na nga. So, tignan natin kung anong laman. Alright? So, tignan natin. Ay, nandito ang aking mahiwagang pet, si Princess. Princess, mag-hi ka. Hi! Alright, so, unbox ko. Kararating lang kanina, na 30 minutes ago. So, buksan natin. Let's try it. Okay siya.
No!
By the way, yes, this is the blower para sa akin. Kung i-rate ko siya. Binili ko lang siya ng 89 pesos and 30 cents. Alright? So, ang dating price niya is 699, naka 87% off siya. So, para sa akin, okay na rin siya. Okay na rin siya sa presyo niya. Alright, so again, that is our review. It's about Nova NV662. So, hair dryer. Alright, so foldable siya. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and of course, put a like. Thank you very much. Goodbye!